What's up, everybody? So you might have seen out there a few days ago or so, In-N-Out Burger has this monkey style option that you can get. I guess it's part of their secret menu or something. Somebody created it. But it's pure genius, at least to me. Unfortunately, we don't have an In-N-Out Burger in the Pacific Northwest, at least not yet. So whomever runs In-N-Out Burger, get a franchise up here. We're starving for In-N-Out up here. Look what we had to do. I had to go to McDonald's. I had to go to McDonald's to construct a fake copy of this monkey-style burger. So this is what you do if there's no In-N-Out near you. You get this cheddar and grilled onion burger. It's on the dollar menu. Get a small fries, and in here actually is some Big Mac sauce. There it is right there. And let's construct. My God, this is a sad burger. Look how dinky this damn thing is. Yeah, cute disgruntled panda today. So I'll put some fries in here. I actually don't know. I'm just going to toss them all in like this. Got a spoon with the Big Mac sauce. I'm going to put some right on top. Like so. There is your burger. I'm hungry, man. I haven't eaten in 7 or 8 hours. Here we go. Almost for hot sauce. But it's even better with some hot sauce, especially if it's something that's epic. Come on, In-N-Out Burger. Get up to the Pacific Northwest already. We're waiting for you.